girls, it's Mrs. M's here, and I'm excited to introduce to you our One Book, One School program. This is the first time we've done this at Tigerville. That means that all of our students in the school will be reading the same book together at the same time, and it's going to happen these first few weeks of school. Now, some of you may have followed along on social media and saw that we were posting a group of book covers, and each day we eliminated one. We're down to 2 book covers left, The Lemonade War and The One and Only Ivan. Now, we're going to announce the book cover, but before we do, let's do a little cheer. You ready? When I raise this hand, we're going to say one book. When we raise this hand, we're going to say one school. You got it? You ready? In 3, 2, 1. One book, one school. One book, one school. One book, one school. Good job, guys. Now, we're about to reveal the book that we're going to read together this year. I'm going to shoot a confetti cannon and we're going to see what color the confetti is. Now, before I do that, I want to remind you though that there's some important announcements that are going to come up right after we find out what the winning book is. I need you to stay tuned and listen, okay? So here we go. Oh, gotta get the cellophane off my confetti cannon. And we're ready to go. If it is yellow, the book will be The Lemonade War. If it is blue, the book will be The One and Only Ivan. Are you ready? Count me down. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we can turn it. I don't know if you saw that, but it's blue. So we're reading The One and Only Ivan together. So students in 2nd through 5th grade, your teacher got a copy of this book and they're going to be reading it with you. Students in kindergarten through 1st grade, you're going to be reading the picture book version of The One and Only Ivan. It's a great story about friendship. So I can't wait to hear all of the exciting things that you learn about friendship as you read this book. Also, there's 2 important dates that I need you to remember. First, on August 26th, we're going to have a service project. $1 brought in for that day lets you wear a hat. The money raised from that hat day will go towards adopting an elephant or a gorilla from the World Wildlife Foundation. If we raise enough money, we'll adopt both 1 elephant and 1 gorilla from the World Wildlife Foundation. Second, on September 2nd, we're going to have a bookmark contest. Students in kindergarten through 2nd, which is primary, and students in 3rd through 5th, which is intermediate, will get a chance to compete against one another by turning in a bookmark. The winning bookmark will be printed and handed out to students here at Tigerville. So if you want to participate in the bookmark competition, please stop by the library and see me, and you can get a form. It'll have your entry information as well as your template for your bookmark. You'll need to turn in all completed bookmarks for the bookmark competition by Friday, September 2nd. I can't wait to see all of the things you learn about friendship and see the bookmarks and see you guys wearing hats on August 26th. So be sure to come to school every day and hear your teacher read from The One and Only Ivan.